welcome to my channel. I'm Magda and today we're going to talk what essentials you have to bring for your Erasmus. Number one is check what plugs are in the country you are going to. If they are different, buy the adapter or think about bringing an extension cord because maybe it's going to be much easier to put the adapter, put the extension cord and have like few places to enter. Or as I did in Italy, I bought the extension cord that has like 2 plugs that are basically already the adapters and 3 plugs that are for, let's say, charging phones or some kind of small plugs. If you're living in Europe, it's gonna be enough. Number 2 for me, it's medicines. Medicines and eye contact. If you are using contacts, I honestly don't use eye contact because I don't use glasses. But I know that a lot of people who go to US, they have so much problems with it, at least they used to have it, because in some countries to buy eye lenses, you need a prescription. So figure it out before going. If not, buy enough for you to handle it for the whole stay, unless you have a chance to go back home for example, Christmas, and then you bring another part. But bring all the prescription medicines, drugs you need, bring them in the amount you need, because maybe you will not be able to go that easily to the doctor and ask for the prescriptions for the medicine you take all the time, because maybe they need your history, maybe it's more expensive, maybe it's more difficult. Also, I recommend to bring any type of pills like painkillers or even pills for diarrhea, because you never know what to expect. So bring some type of pills, maybe some for coughing, maybe, I don't know, some vitamin C, whatever you may think you need when it's getting colder, when you get like some cold, some illness, or you are just feeling bad. Another thing you have to pack are obviously your favorite shoes. So bring the shoes you put every single day. Don't bring the shoes that you maybe put once a year or twice a year or because of something, because probably you will not use them. And if you need some kind of shoes like this, you go and buy it. And you don't buy the best shoes ever, you buy the cheapest one, you use them once and you don't regret it. For example, think if you need high heels, what type of high heels will be useful, because remember, you don't have car. So wherever you want to go, to the club or for the party, you have to walk. So think what type of high heels you need. If you need high heels, what type of shoes you need for traveling, what type of shoes you're going to put to the university, and bring only shoes you need. Another thing, bring your favorite clothes. Bring your favorite dress, bring your favorite jacket, bring your favorite pajama, t-shirts, pants. Don't leave them back home, you're gonna regret it. So remember to bring all the clothes you need. The same with jewelry. If you like your necklace or you like some kind of bracelet you use all the time, bring it with you. You will regret not bringing it. It's the same with earrings and stuff like this. A really useful tip in my opinion is bring sport towels. They are like really light towels. They almost don't weigh anything. They dry really easily and they don't bring a lot of space in your suitcase. So they are really useful. If you find them uncomfortable to use every single day, use them occasionally, but bring them for the first week and then buy the towels over there. You buy a few towels and you don't use all your suitcase to put the towels. If we are seeing this roll, like roll all the stuff you put to your suitcase. If you're interested in me making the video how to pack the suitcase, let me know in a comment down below. But my first tip is to roll everything. Roll everything because it occupies less space. So it's much more efficient to put stuff like this. What I do, I put my socks and underwear into the small bags, like this size bags, and then I put them inside the shoes. It helps you in 2 ways. It makes your shoes stay in a shape that they should, and also it saves some space in your luggage, because underwear or socks you always need it, shoes you don't want them to be deformated. So put them in and your problem is solved. Another things I would recommend, first of all, bring the pads, the tampons or your menstrual cup with you. I'm not saying for the whole year. I'm saying bring it because our bodies changes so much that maybe you're gonna be in so much stress or so much happiness that maybe you're gonna have your period in a different time and then you're gonna be like, oh my god, I have to go find the pads, I have to find the tampons. Bring for first few days of your period, bring them with you, you're gonna be relieved. Your life is gonna be so much easier if you have it with you already. Also, then bring the cosmetics and the makeup stuff you need. Check if it's First of all, available. Second of all, if it's not in super high prices. I find it that a lot of stuff that I'm using, like cleansing or creams that I use for my face, are much more expensive abroad than in Poland. So I basically buy them in Poland and I bring them with me, and I know that they weigh something. But for example, my cleansing stuff, which is like 500 milliliters, wait, I will find it for you. So for example, this is my cleansing stuff and it's how many milliliters? 400 milliliters. But first of all, to find it, you don't even know where to buy it, because some countries you have to buy it in drugstores, some countries you can buy it in a normal shop, in some countries you have to look for them. So just bring your stuff. It's gonna be much easier. Maybe with this brand it's not that difficult because it's, let's say, international, but if you are using something that maybe it's from your country or you don't find it even that easily, bring it with you. That's gonna save you so much time, so much money, and it's gonna be much easier. The same stuff with makeup. I'm not telling you to bring like, I don't know, 10,000 stuff, but bring the essentials. Bring the most important makeup stuff you need. You use every day, maybe your favorite mascara. If you have any way to figure out if it's in another country because you already have the friends from there or something, check it out. Check the prices if it's worth it. Another thing I find really expensive abroad, it's sunscreen. Good sunscreen, or even better, like even normal one, they can get so high prices in the places where you have the beach. So if you're going to the south of Spain or south of Italy, maybe it's better to buy it in your home country, out of season, not when you need it. Trust me, in south of Spain or south of Italy, your skin gonna get burned even walking 1 kilometer. So take the sunscreen, use it, and enjoy it. Very important thing and useful while you are traveling is functional backpack, which you can bring, but it's not gonna put all the space in your luggage. Maybe you can bring it as a handbag or something like this. Think how you're gonna travel, how you're gonna process, what is gonna be comfortable, what is gonna be useful and functional. Bring the stuff that is functional and it's gonna be used all the time. Remember, bring all the electronical devices you might use, even if it's like a tablet, Kindle, laptop. Yes, if you use it on daily basis or if you use it only going for vacation, take it with you. Because in a Kindle you can get some books, you can read something, maybe you're really bored, maybe you are on the beach, maybe you are sitting in a bus getting to the destination, bring it. If you are having a camera, that's the time you have to take it with you. From going there, another electronical stuff you should bring is either SD card or some extensional storage like pen drive, whatever, like a big storage, or computer with some extra space. You will have to like copy your videos and photos you made, because the worst thing is losing everything. Also, when you copy it on a computer, do the backup, either on a cloud or like Google Drive or any other type of backup thing, that you're gonna have always at least 2 copies of the stuff you have, because if something happens, you lose everything and you're gonna be so angry about it. So if you have any other suggestions what to pack for your exchange time, for your study abroad, please leave a comment down below, smash the like button and subscribe my channel to get all the information you need about studying abroad. See you in another video.